In this video, we're going to explore the SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel, what it is and how it works. So the SUMIF function has three arguments, which are the names we give to the information inside the brackets. And the three arguments are the range of cells that you want Excel to look in, what you want it to look for, and potentially the range of cells to be added up if a criteria has been met. So I want to calculate the total orders for Alcoa. So I'm going to click in the cell where I want the answer to display, and I'm going to click Insert Function. I'm going to look for SUMIF. Now, in my case, it displays down here, but if it doesn't, simply click in the box here and type in SUMIF and click Go. Once you find SUMIF, double click on it to activate the Function Arguments dialog box. Now, first of all, Excel says, what's the range of cells that you want to evaluate? I want to evaluate these cells here. So I'm going to go Control-Shift down arrow to select that whole column. And the criteria I'm looking for is Alcoa. I'm typing it in quotation marks so Excel knows it's text. Now you'll notice the sum range is not bold, so that indicates it's not a compulsory field, it's optional. So this would make sense if perhaps the range I was wanting to evaluate was the order amount and the criteria was greater than $1,500. Excel could automatically sum based upon that criteria. But I'm saying look in the client name, find the client name Alcoa, and then we need to sum this range. So I'm going to do Control-Shift down arrow. Selects to the bottom of the list, and if I click OK, it's telling me that that's the value of all the orders for Alcoa. I could certainly double check it by doing a sort and filter, putting the filter icons on just the Alcoa items. And if I go Control-Shift down arrow, I can see down in the bottom right hand corner 72,527.63. If I go Control Home and I take the filters off, 72,527.63. So the numbers match. So that enables Excel to look in a range of cells, find out what to look for, and then, if necessary, sum a secondary range of cells.